And now is the time to talk about the dashboard of bidder and of the administrator. They have a common dashboard. When an administrator logs in, he sees a button that allows him to send an instant message. This will be sent live through SignalR. But when a bidder logs in, he sees a button that he can click to place his bid. So this is what is about the dashboard, and as I've already maintained, the project is already completed and this is just an explanation. You will have to find out your way yourself because it was a bit tough for me to create it into a full-blown project or a tutorial, I would say rather. So let me now jump straightway to what I'm talking today. First of all, we have this dashboard. This is what we are going to discuss right now. And in this dashboard, we have this main ID. This is hidden. It will be shown if the dashboard activates correctly. Otherwise, we'll keep it hidden because this contains a lot of auction increment, and if there is no active auction, in that case it will be kept hidden only, and only the basic log of links will be shown. So let me show it straightway what I am saying. Okay, here we are. We have logged in as administrator and there was a cookie already, so that is why I am directly on this page. There are no running auctions and therefore that is why that main is hidden. And let us click on auctions. Now why are there no auctions? Because the dates are actually not the current dates. So what I will do is I will edit it and change the start date. Start date can be in the past, so I'll retain it, but the end date must be in the future. So I will, let us say, keep it 18th, and that all, and now I will update it. So on this there are certain messages. City Buildings 4 is the name of the auction, start date, amounts, address, and some messages. And I think, do I have bidders also? Yes, I have a bidder a@a.com. I'll trash it for the moment and add it again because sometimes data is already there. So I will just add a new bidder a@a.com. Password 123. Bidders ABC, the name of the bidder, the phone number of the bidder, and add bidder. So the bidder is already there now, and we should now come back to the auctions page and now go to the dashboard. And when we come to the dashboard, we see some messages already there because some testing was going on. So this is the administrator. He sees a current bid of 33. Time left is more than 1 day. If it were less, then it would have shown minutes, seconds, and all that. This is all through a JavaScript clocking. And there we have auction, reserved amount, etc. And this is actually supposed to be seen from a mobile phone. So on a mobile phone it looks perfectly okay. So if I were to stretch it a bit down, and then if I, let's say, add some instant message for the users, anything, I'll say click on send. This is through SignalR that it has gone 11:51 AM DRTDS, whatever it was. And this is how it is actually taking place. So how does it occur? Here we have, this is the dashboard, and on the dashboard we have a get current auction on DOM content loaded, and let's directly go to this function. This function sends a get request to API auction current. So let us see what is that. In the utility API auctions current, this means it is in this second file. This is the, and UTC offset minutes will also be sent, and I can now go to this, and here what it happens is that it makes some logic of the auction and fills a dashboard there is an auction dashboard variable that we have just created, so that this data can be sent to the dashboard. Is auction started, is expired, last message, is user admin, is consecutive bidding quota exhausted, because there is a bidding quota of 5 that we do not allow beyond that. And therefore when that returns to you, then on the basis of that we set a dashboard timer, and signal R hub is also started simultaneously. It starts a signal hub that will listen on this, and when dashboard update is received or when auction update is received, the status text, that red color, will alter. And dashboard update, you can see an example when the administrator pushes a message and it says auction update. So auction update message will come. In that case it will say whatever is sent by the administrator. And now we can log off, and we will then log in as user a@a.com and click on login. And here he says click to bid at rupees 36, because reserved amount is 33 and increment is 3, and click here. Once made is final, click OK. A bid of 36 is made, and it says it's your, and we'll make 5 bids because there is a limit, and it gets disabled after the 5th bid. You will have to look at the whole thing yourself. I'll close it right now. Thank you.